Welcome to the Palm Beach County Water Utilities Department How-To Series. In this video, we'll show our E-Backflow account users how to search for and report test results on their backflow devices. You can access E-Backflow by visiting PBCWUD.com. The backflow page is under the I Want To menu. Click on the link that says E-Backflow Web Portal. Enter your username and password. If you do not have a username and password, stop here and refer to our previous video about how to register. Once logged in, it will open on a search screen where you can search by different criteria, including business name or meter or backflow serial numbers. If you are entering information for multiple clients, locations, or businesses, we recommend the best practice of searching by backflow serial number. Searching by service location will pull up all of the backflows for that location. Select the entry you are reporting by double-clicking. The next screen will display the information for that account. The address, the customer name, and next inspection date will appear at the top. In the middle of the screen, you will find details including the meter and serial numbers and the type of device. Take a minute to verify the information on the test matches what is in our system. The bottom of the screen displays the test results entry fields. To report results from a recent test, enter the inspection date, select the tester name from the drop-down menu. Input the test readings into the appropriate fields and indicate in the check boxes below which actions were taken or which parts were replaced. Then click Check Results. It will display a green for pass or red for fail. Then click the Save button at the bottom of the page. If you do not click Save, your results will not be updated. After clicking Save, your test results will be instantly updated in our system. Keep in mind that we mail notices to clients daily, so if your test passed, but your customer receives a notice in the mail within the next week indicating otherwise, it may be because the letter was mailed before you entered your new test results in the system. The next inspection date that appears will not change to a year from the test date until all backflows on that meter have had passing results entered. If one fails, the next inspection date will be scheduled for 60 days out to allow time for obtaining estimates, ordering parts, and making the repair. Palm Beach County Water Utilities needs to see both pass and fail tests in order to reset your inspection timeline. Do not worry about entering multiple tests. With E-Backflow, there are no filing fees for entering test results for contractors. If you have questions about your account, you can contact the Cross-Connection Control Coordinator for assistance. In the next video, we'll provide some tips for troubleshooting while using E-Backflow. And be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter at PBCWUD.